we've been seeing, in the asset management and the markets, that's been a long time coming. We had robots make decisions in terms of buy and sell in the markets for a long time. But nowadays, what's happening is different. You're going to have end users creating their own agents and deciding what they do in their financial lives. So today, we're going to have these amazing speakers that I'm going to give them 1 minute each to introduce yourself, please, because they're going to do a much better job than I will.
Yes. Hi, Zakaria Fahim from Morocco. And, I'm the managing partner in Video, lead all the global advisory, specialized in the AI and working with future economy in cyber security, decentralized and post-quantum cryptography.
Well, thank you. I'm Hector. I am part of the Mastercard Security Solutions team. What I do, I protect every transaction, and every time that we try to go and register into a digital platform to make sure the identity that is being used to register and to make a purchase online, it really belongs to whoever is supposed to be doing the transaction. It's part of the risky and fraud prevention solutions that we kindly offer. I've been in this business for the past 12 years, focusing in Latin America and global solutions.
Hi, my name is Vladislav Shevelev. Well, I'm in love with this golden microphone over here.
A very fashionable one. You should start singing right now.
Yeah.
Just
I was sitting over there and thinking I should get it when I come to
stage.
So thank you. I'm vice president here. We've built stablecoin banking infrastructure along with traditional banking. We've been implementing AI and AI agents for many years, way before it became a trend, and I'll be less theoretical and more practical over here.
Good.
Great. Santiago Maggi, co-founder and president of Xendia. We are a wealth tech firm in Miami. We specialize to build and help financial institutions in Latin America to scale and to use all type of digitalize the whole operation.
Awesome. Okay, so let's get started here with a basic question first. I'm going to say it in a straighter way. What part of agentic fintech right now is real and what part is really bullshit? What part of agentic fintech do you think, guys, is real right now? It's working.
Okay. Operations, back office, compliance, KYC, all those things. What is not real yet is that it's making financial decisions. So, but all that is operations, compliance, regulations, that's completely real, and you should be using it for that.
Yeah, in our business, transaction monitoring is what right now successfully what we've implemented AI for. But if we look into something like complex payments, treasuries, forex, there's still it's a need of human touch. And for the safety of our clients and their funds, for us to avoid any legal consequences, we have to put humans in control along with AI.
From experience, for what I see that is working and is not working sometimes, is that the fact is that fintechs and financial services needs to understand that the orchestration of agent AI has completely changed. It's no longer about clicking to make a transaction. It's more about we delegating the agent to do some sort of performance. So that performance includes to identify the identity of the human that is giving delegation to that agent, one. Two is authenticate that the identity really belongs to that person. Three is the accountability to create a layer of trust. So we as consumers now can be able to delegate the agent to perform on our behalf. Okay.
Right, so it's a huge trust issue actually then, because you are actually delegating the safety of your organization when you give the agent the autonomy to decide whether a person is real or not 100%, right?
Correct.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, in Africa, the key for us is to show that we can say that we invent AI agentic, because on the ground there are lots of problems that can't be solved with what it's now the tech of Europe, of US, because when you don't have this the tech, you need to have something instead of. Lots of people maybe don't know that the first, not cryptography, but a non-financial system is born in Africa, in Kenya, M-Pesa, and now it's open to a lot of countries, and it's studied by a lot of countries. And before, and this is why fintech are going very fast in our country, because there is no traditional competitors. Because when there is nothing, the leapfrog is easy, because there is nobody who has investment return, and you say, okay, my Salesforce is there, my SAP, then stop, I need to reimburse of that. Then we think that we are going fast, and my neighbor, when he said for trust, we believe that when nobody sees you in the map and you are doing a lot of things, you can be what in the last word, Switzerland was the goalkeeper for financial system, because nobody will accept that to audit. For example, if you are from China, from US, from Europe, everybody has something to say why you are going to audit me. And we think that the experience in the ground can allow today Africa to be the safe guy or the independent guy in this agentic, I think, tomorrow.
Yeah, Africa has been a trailblazer in fintech for decades.
2007, you can say that the first financial, and a lot of things that we know that in our continent we are good player on the ground, because
you have a quick adoption on the ground, from the ground up.
Because that's the problem, you have to solve real problems, but you are not very good in marketing.
No.
That's why you are not known.
Okay, so what do you think, before fintech companies can scale agentic tools, the trust layer has to be clear? We were saying, you know, you're going to trust this agent to make decisions for you. What do you think that in an agentic payment environment, where are the AI agents may recommend or initiate transactions? What is the new trust layer? Is it identity, as you said, Hector, authentication, consent, fraud prevention, all of the above? Like, how do we gain trust in those agents, and how do those agents gain trust from